welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how the WhatsApp bot works, okay, how it helps increase your status views and everything the WhatsApp bot is capable of doing. I'll be explaining its functions to you, the ones that are most relevant to you in a very short period of time. So this won't take long. All right, this won't take long. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, after, if you are seeing this and you don't know what a WhatsApp bot is, it's simply um a bot. Okay, it's a bot that we use to grow our WhatsApp audience. And the means by which we do this is by using the auto status views and auto status likes. So what the auto status views does is that the moment someone posts on his or her status, the bot will automatically view the status that instantly. So now when you are appearing first on the people's list of status views, it now triggers them or leads them to also watch your status. I hope you are getting me. And based on WhatsApp's updates, it also, that one also gives an upper hand in getting more status views for yourself. Okay, so first of all, if you want to know the functions of your bot, so first of all, if you want to know that your bot is active, if you are seeing this video, it means two things. It's either you chanced upon it because you like searching for relevant information, and that's why YouTube recommended my video to you. So I recommend you subscribe to my channel, or you've paid me to create a bot for you, or I've sent the link to you on how you can run the bot. Alright. So whichever way it is, once you have your bot, okay, to check whether your bot is active, you just ping it. So you type .ping. So anytime you type .ping, your bot will also reply you. Okay, your bot will also reply you. So now if you want to know the functions of your bot, okay, all of it, you want it listed down. As you can see over here, you just type .menu. Yeah, so the bot is showing over here how long the bot has been active. It has been active for the past 10 hours. Okay, yeah, it doesn't go offline. So you just type .menu, and then when you type .menu, it will show all that which your bot is capable of. All right, it will show all the commands of your bot. So if you add yourself to a group and you're an admin, you want to tag everybody, you use what? The .tag. You use .tag, and then after that you type the message in the group. Okay, and it will tag everybody, That's one of the first useful commands that I would like you to take notice of. Okay, so second thing is mute. Okay, let's say someone is disturbing in your group. Okay, someone is disturbing in your group, you just use the mute. Okay, you just use the mute, and then you type in the number of minutes you want the person to be muted for, maybe 30 minutes, and then you use the @ sign to tag the person in the group. All right, so someone also posted a message in the group, you don't want it, you want it to be deleted, you use the delete. You just tag the message like this, and you use the delete, and it will do just that for you in the group. All right, yeah, it will do just that for you in the group. And then the next thing you need to take note of is over here. When you come over here, okay, so first of all, the main reason why definitely people would want this bot, and I'm sure the main reason why you would want this bot, is for the auto viewing of the status. So to turn that on, you use .auto status, then you just type on. So when you do that, the bot will tell you, okay, auto status has been enabled. So now anytime someone is posting, the bot would automatically view the status. So it will show anytime someone posts that you have viewed his status. Now there is also another one, which is the anti-delete. This will make you see deleted messages. Okay, and I'll demonstrate to you how it works. So you just then you just type anti-delete on and it will enable it. Now to demonstrate the anti-delete, I'm going to send myself a message of the anti-delete function of the bot. Okay, so now I'm going to delete it. Delete for everyone. Now when we come back here to our bot, you see that the bot has notified you that there is an anti-delete report. Who deleted the message? The the sender of the message, the number, okay, the time, the date, and then the message that the person deleted all would also show over here. I think it's very useful. I really believe this is going to be very useful for you. Yes. So there are various other commands. Okay, there are various other commands. Yeah, there are various other commands. Now, if you want only you to have access to this bot, and the reason why I'm saying that is because, for instance, I come over here to myself. Okay, this is my other account. Okay, anyone can send you a dot ping and your bot will reply them, just like that. Okay, so anyone can also send you. There are functions of the bots that are general functions. Everybody can use it. So anyone can send this to you and then it will work for them. So if you want to turn that off such that the bot would answer to only you, okay, you just type on dot you just type dot mode and make it private. Okay, but if you want to turn that one to off, you use the same function, the same command again, and make it public. All right, yes. And then there is also another very interesting function of this particular bot. All right, that's it can download videos from any social media platform that is listed over here. Okay, all the platforms that you see listed over here, it can download from them. All right, so all you have to do is, if it is TikTok, if it is Instagram, it is Facebook, you just use the dot Facebook and then you paste the link. All right, yeah. So after typing the dot Facebook, you just paste the link of the Facebook video you want downloaded, and then it will pull that video into this particular DM for you. If you are in a group, okay, if you are in a group and you are an admin in that group, anyone can send a dot Facebook. Anyone can also use this command and it would work. Alright. As long as they two are also in the group with you and you're an admin in the group, it would also work. So you can use this to grow some of your WhatsApp groups. You just tell people that if you join, you can use this WhatsApp group to download any social media video you want, and it would make your group very active. Yes, it's also another way to keep your WhatsApp group active. All right, so that is basically it. That's basically it. For the rest of these other ones, they are for fun and just to make the bot interesting. Okay, they are just to make the bot interesting. You want to blur an image, all of these things are just for fun to make the bot interesting. So that's basically it. If you would want your own WhatsApp bot, my WhatsApp contact link is in the description, and you can message me directly and I would get you your own. All right, definitely it's not going to be free, but it is going to come at a very good price for you. Yes, especially if I know that you are my subscriber. So do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video if it has been very useful to you, and let me know if you have any issues from the comment section. If you find this, if you have your own bots and you're enjoying it, let me also know from the comment section. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial, and I'll be hoping to see you as my subscriber in the next video. Shalom.